Ever been stuck with a dead phone and a perfectly good internet connection on your computer? Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to share your PC or laptop's internet with your phone. First up, USB tethering. Grab your USB cable and connect your phone to your computer. On your Android phone, go to Settings, then look for Connection Preferences, or something similar like Mobile Hotspot and Tethering depending on your phone model. In that menu, you should find USB tethering. Simply toggle it on. Your phone should now be using your computer's internet. For iPhones, you might need to install iTunes for your computer to recognize the device properly. Next, let's create a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows. Search for Mobile Hotspot in the settings. Toggle the Mobile Hotspot switch to on. You'll see a network name and password on your phone. Connect to this Wi-Fi network using the provided credentials. Lastly, Bluetooth tethering on your computer. Go to Bluetooth settings and pair with your phone. Then, on your Android phone, navigate to the same connection preferences menu as before and find Bluetooth tethering. Then turn it on. Your phone will connect to the internet through Bluetooth. And that's it. 3 easy ways to keep your phone connected using your computer's internet. Now you can browse, stream, and stay connected wherever you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.